Now is a great chance to go ahead and build your own HTML page. We've already created the product detail.html page just here, but we've added no content just yet. If we go over to the finished version here and click on the product image for the first item, this is the final product detail.html page, which I would like you to try and copy. Remember, we just need to add the content. I don't expect yours to look like this finished version until we add in the CSS. You can leave this table at the bottom out just for now. We'll add this in when we get to the tables lecture. We already have all the content we need to create this. We already have the header section. We already have the sidebar. We have the footer section already. And we also have one of these products. Therefore, we just need to replicate the index page, but this time only have one product, which is this controller. You can of course copy the full index page and paste it into the product detail file, and then remove the extra 5 products. But if you are new to all this, you may want to type it out for a bit more practice. If you are still unsure, don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and do this now. Okay, so back over to Visual Studio. I'm going to go to the index.html, press Command or Control A to select all the code, and then I'm going to Command or Control C to copy. Over to the product detail page, let's delete this text, and then paste in the same code as the index page. If we go up to the top, rather than this text all, we can also add to the end of it product detail and give that a save. And then if we scroll down to the product, so we have the sidebar, which is fine, and then all items. So this first div is the one we want to keep for the controller. So let's remove all the extra items. So the extra 2 items there, the microphone, the cables, and finally the lenses. So let's remove that and then move the main tag back up. So we just have one product inside of this main section, along with the all items heading. In fact, we can change this to product detail. And then give that a save. Go over to the browser, hit refresh. I'm going to go to our project. So refresh this. And then if we select the game controller, we're then taken to the product detail page. So we have the heading, we have the sidebar, and then the product detail section with this one product, and then the footer area down at the very bottom. So yours should now look just like this. So we have all the content we've seen from the final version, except the table, which we'll look at in the next section.